Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, welcome sa ating channel, sa Sir Ariel Mat. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paki-like na lang at paki-subscribe at paki-hit ng notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong uploads natin. Okay, so our topic for today is about angles of polygons. Okay, so yung objective natin dito, so to be able to work out the interior and exterior angles of a polygon. Okay, what is a polygon again? A polygon is a 2D or 2D shape that is made up of straight lines. So they are flat and close. Okay, yun ang mga examples ng mga polygons. So what do the angles inside a triangle always add up to 180 degree? Okay, so these are the interior angles. So they are on inside the polygon. Okay? So what do the interior angles of a quadrilateral always add up to? 360. So isang quadrilateral, meron dalawang triangles. And take note, sa isang triangle, merong 180 degree. Tapos dalawa yung triangles na yan. So that is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so name of polygon, meron triangle, number of sides is 3, number of triangles is 1. So, yung sum of interior angles is 180. That is 1 times 180. Quadrilaterals, merong apat na sides. Number of triangles is 2. Then, 2 times 180 is 360 degree. Another one, yung pentagon, merong 5 sides. Minus 2, so that is 3. Yung number of triangles, then 3 times 180 is equal to 540. Sa hexagon, 6 sides. Okay? Tapos yung number of triangles ay 4. Tapos 4 times 180 is 720. Sa heptagon, 7 minus 2, that is 5. 5 na lang yung number of triangles inside polygon. Then 5 times 180 is 900 degree. Next is octagon. So number of triangles niya is 6. Then 6 times 180 is equal to 1080 degree. Si n minus 2, that is n minus 2 times 180. Yan ang formula natin. Okay? Equals 180 times n minus 2. Pagkuha natin sa sum of interior angles. So, unahin natin yung pentagon. Si pentagon, meron siyang 5 sides. Minus 2, so meron na lang tatlong triangles. And take note, sa isang triangle, merong 180. So, tatlo yan. So, 3 times 180 is equal to 540. Okay, so punta tayo sa hexagon. Mayroong 6 sides. Okay, yan ang kanina, di ba? Sisahin mo na, balikan na natin ha. So, hexagon na tayo. Okay, si hexagon merong 6 sides. Minus 2, so meron lang 4 na triangle. Sa isang triangle, merong 180. So, that is 4 times 180 is 720. Okay? Ulit-ulit na yan. So, heptagon. Si heptagon, merong 7 sides. Minus 2, that is 5. So, 5 na yung number of triangles sa kay heptagon. So, times 180, that is 900 degree. Okay, kay octagon, merong 8 sides. So, minus 2. So, 6 na lang yung number of triangles. So, 6 times 180, that is equal to 1080. Okay? So, important, if a polygon has n sides, we can split it up into n triangles. So, the sum of the interior angles of the n-sided polygon is 180 times n minus 2. degree. Okay, so number 2, calculate the unknown angle in each of the following polygons. Okay, letter A, we have to find the value of A or yung angle na A. This one, hanapin natin yan. Okay, so ang given dito, meron 160, merong 50, merong 140, at saka isang right triangle. So, right triangle measures 90 degree. So, this has 5 sides. So, the sum of the angles is equal to 540. Okay? So, we know that A plus, so A plus 160 plus 50 plus 140 plus 90 equals 540. So, itotal natin yan. That is equal to 440. 160 plus 50 plus 140 plus 90 is equal to 440 equals 540. Then we have to subtract both sides. So A plus 440 minus 440 equals 0. Then dito sa kabila, sa right side, 540 minus 440, so that is equal to 100. Okay? Next, letter B. So, hanapin naman natin yung angle B. So, ang given, so, angle B is unknown. Hindi natin alam yan. So, merong 130, 140, 110, 110, at saka 80 degree. Okay, so this is 6 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. So, the sum of the angles is, kasi 6 sides yan, so minus 2. 4 times 180 is 720. Okay, so we know that B plus 130 plus 140, 130 plus 140 plus 110 plus 110 plus 80. Okay, so equals 720. So, ang total nito, 130 plus 130 plus 140 plus 110 plus 110 plus 18 plus 80 equals 570 equals 720. Okay, so i-minus natin both sides by 570. Dito rin, sa left side. Sa right side. So, 570 rin dyan. Okay? So, 0 na yan. So, B equals 720 minus 570. So, equals 150. Okay? Next, letter C. So, sa letter C, ang given dito is meron dalawang angle na right angle. So, this is 90 degree. Yan, dalawa. So, given 30 degree at saka 45. So, hanapin natin yung angle C. Okay? Ilang sides ba yan? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 sides. So, the sum of the angles is 540. So, we know that C plus 30 plus C plus 30 plus 90 plus 90 plus 45 equals 540. So, ang total nito, so that is 255. Yan, 30 plus 90 plus 90 plus 45 is 255 equals 540. Then, subtract natin both sides by 255. 540 minus 255 is equal to 285. So, exterior angles, so, i-extend natin yan. So, maging exterior angle na yan. Okay? Mula dyan, okay, extend natin. So, yan ang tawag na exterior angle. Sa exterior angle, always add up to 360. Okay? So, these are exterior angles. They are on the outside. Outside, di ba? Kasi exterior nga. Nasa sa labas. So, you have to calculate question number 3. Calculate the unknown angle in each of the following diagrams. So, letter A, you have to find angle A. Okay? So, ang given dyan, merong 100 degree, merong form right angles, dalawa. So, 90 degree yan, 90 din ito. So, therefore, exterior angles always add up to 360. Okay? So, A plus 100 plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 360. So, A plus 100 plus 90 plus 90 is 280 equals 360. Then, subtract natin both sides. Minus tayo dito ng 280. Dito rin, minus 280. Okay? So, ang total niyan, 360 minus 280 is 80 na lang. So, yun ang value ng A. So, letter B. So, we have to find this angle. Hanapin natin yan. So, ang given, merong 60, merong 55, merong 135. So, exterior angles always add up to 360. Basta exterior angle. So, B plus 135, this one, plus 55, plus 60. So, total niya is 360. So, B plus 135 plus 55 plus 60, so equals 250. Equals 360. Then, minus natin ito, both sides. Minus 250. Dito rin, minus 250. Okay? So, ang total is B is equal to 110. Okay, letter C na tayo. Exterior angles always add up to 360. So, ang given dito, hanapin natin yung this angle niya yan. Si angle C. Okay? So, ang given, merong 58, merong 83, merong 72, merong 95. Okay? Equals 360. Then, 58 plus 83 plus 72 plus 95 is 308. Equals 360. Minus natin both sides. Mag-minus tayo dyan ng 308. Dito rin, 308. Dapat both sides. Okay? So, 360 minus 308, that is equal to 52 degree. Okay, number 4. Sa number 4 and number 5, you can solve this one and paki-share na lang o paki-comment na lang sa sagot nyo sa comment section. At andito na lang tayo or dito na lang tayo sa ating topic. At again, sa hindi pa naka-like and subscribe, paki-like and subscribe naman. At paki-hit ng notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.